welcomes in the NCERT exams. Now we are going to discuss which questions come in the board exams patterns like the MCQ questions. Now we have to start. Question number first. The mineral used in the manufacture of steel is A. Copper, B. Lead, C. Magnesium, D. Manganese. Answer is now option number D. Manganese. Manganese is used in the manufacture of steels. Question number second. The state which is the largest producer of manganese is A. Gujarat, B. West Bengal, Bihar, and D. Odisha. Answer is D. Odisha. Largest producer of manganese is Odisha. Question number third. The blank mines of the Madhya Pradesh produce 52% of India's coppers. A. Kolaghat, B. Khetri, C. Balghat, D. Sibhum. Option is Balghat. Balghat mines Madhya Pradesh produce 52% of Indian coppers. Question number 4. The most important bauxite deposit in the state of Odisha are in blank districts: Sibhum, Khetri, Balghat, or Koraput. Answer is the Koraput. The most important bauxite deposit in the state of Odisha are in Koraput districts. Question number 5. The mineral made of a series of plates or leaves in A. Bauxite, B. Lead, C. Copper, D. Mica. Now answer is D. Mica. The mineral made of the series of plates or leaves is mica. Question number 6. Nellore mica belt is the state of A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is D. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 7. The basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting irons ore in the blast furnace is A. Iron, B. Mica, C. Limestone, D. Sodium. Answer is C. Limestones. Question number 8. Low grade bronze coal is known as bituminous, anthracites, lignites, and none of these. Answer is lignites, known as the brown coals. Question number 9. The highest quality hard coal is A. Bituminous, B. Anthracite, C. Lignite, D. None of above. Answer is anthracite. Anthracite is the hardest quality of the hard coal. Question number 10. Tertiary coals occur in which of the following? A. Odisha, West Bengal, and Bihar. B. Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir. C. Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. D. Gujarat, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Answer is option number C. Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. Question number 11. About blank percentage of Indian petroleum producer is from the Mumbai. 63% of Indian petrols is from Mumbai High. Question number 12. Largest reserve of the natural gas have been discovered in the Ganga Godavari basins, B. Ganga Yamuna basins, Ganga Brahmaputra basin, or Krishna Godavari basin. Option number D. Krishna Godavari basins have been discovered largest natural gas. Question number 13. The number of thermal power plant in India. Options A 110, options B 210, option C 310 and option number last D 410. Answer is 310th number of thermal power plant in the India. Question number 14. Nuclear energy is obtained by alternating the structure of atoms, B structure of electrons, C structure of protons, D none of the above. Option number B are the answer, structure of atoms. Question number 15. The largest solar plant of India is located Madhpur, Khetri, Kolhar या जैसलमेर. Option number A options Madhpur. Question number 16. The largest wind farm cluster is located in Tamil Nadu. Option number A Nagarkoli to Mundravi, B Nagarkol to Bhuj, C Madurai to Khetri, D none of above. Option number A Nagarkoils to the Madurai is the answers. Question number 17. In the rural area, biogas for domestic consumption is the producer from option number A as melts, plastic, etc., B animal and the human waste and the plastic, C shrubs from waste, animal and human waste, D none of the above. Option number C is the right answer, shrubs, farm waste, animals and human waste. Question number 18. Oceanic tides are used to generate A electricity, B steam, C power or none of these. A electricity. Oceanic tides are used for the build or generate electricity. Question number 19. Where are the project to the harness got thermal energy located in India? A Parvati Valley and Pugga Valley, B Saraswati Valley and Pugga Valley, Ganga Valley and Pugga or Yamuna. Option number A are the answers, Parvati Valley and the Pugga Valley. Two projects to the harness geothermal energy in India are located in the Parvati and the Pugga Valley. Question number 20. Geothermal energy refer to A heat and steam produced by the using the heat from the interior of the earth, B heat and light produced by the using the heat from the interior of the earth, C heat and electricity produced by the using the heat of the interior of the earth. Option number C are the answers, heat and electricity produced by using the heat from the interior of the earth. Question number 21. Our mineral intake represent only about blank percent of our total intake of the nutrition. A 0.1, B 0.2, C 0.3, D 0.4. Answer is the option number C 0.3. Our mineral intake represent only about 0.3% of our total intake. Question number 22. Homogeneous natural occurring substance which with a definable internal structure is called A ore, gangues, C manganese, D salt. Option number C are the answer, mineral. Question number 23. The hardest mineral is iron, copper, diamonds and talc. Option number C are the answers, diamond is the right answer. Question number 24. The softest mineral is A iron, B copper, C diamond and D talc. Answer is talc is the softest minerals. Question number 25. The rocket are combined of the homogeneous substance called A ore, B minerals, C gangues, D none of these. Answer number B are the option, rocks and the combines of the homogeneous substance called the mineral. Question number 26. present the number of the mineral identified are above 4,000, under 3,000, over 2,000, over 1,000. Answer is the C. At the present, the number of the minerals identified are over 2,000. Question number 27. Geographic study minerals as a part of the earth crust for a better understanding of a property. B. Area. C. Landform. D. Noun of the these. Answer number C. Landforms. Geographers study minerals as a part of the earth crust for a better understanding of landform. Question number 28. In igneous and the metamorphic rock, minerals may occur in A. Beds. B. Layer. C. Cracks, crevices, faults or joints. D. Only the cracks on crevices. Answer number C. Cracks, crevices, faults or the joint. Question number 29. In sedimentary rocks, minerals occurs in the A. Beds or layers. B. Cracks on the crevices. C. Faults or joint. D. None of the air, beds or layers. Question number 30. In example of minerals forms as a result of evaporations are A. Iron, copper and lead. B. Gold, silver and platinum. C. Gypsum, potash, salt or sodium salt. Option number C. Answer. Gypsum, potash and salts. Sodium salt are the formed as a result of evaporations. Question number 31. An accumulation of any minerals mixed with other element is called array, gagged, waste or slipped. Array is the right answer. Question number 32. Example of mineral that are not coated by water are gold and potassium. B. Iron and silver. C. Copper and tin. D. None of these. Answer is A. Gold and platinum are not coated by water. Question number 33. Magnesium and bromines are the largely derived from glaciers, deposits, seashore, ocean water. Answer is C. Oceans water. Magnesium and bromines are the largely derived from oceans water. Question number 34. Coal mining in the Jawars and the Cherrapunji is done by the family members in the form of a long narrow tunnel known as A. Cat hole mines. B. Rabbit hole mines. C. Snake hole mines or rat hole mines. Answer is rat hole mines is known as the rat hole mines. Question number 35. Most of the petroleum deposits are found in the state of Gujarat and Assam, West Bengal and Assam, Odisha and Bihar, Maharashtra and Odisha. Answer is A. Gujarat and Assam. Most of petroleum deposits are found in the state of Gujarat and Assam. Question number 36. The area in India which are almost derived of economic minerals are A. Alluvial plains and the north area, alluvial plains of south area, alluvial plains of western India, alluvial plains of the eastern India. A is the right answer. Alluvial plains of the north India. Alluvial soils of the north India contains fertile soils for the cultivations and these areas are devoid of the economical minerals. Question number 37. Ferrous minerals account for about blank of the total volume of the production of metallic minerals. A. 1/3. B. 2/3. C. Half. D. 3/4. D. 3/4. Ferrous minerals account for about 3/4 of the total value of the productions of the metallic minerals. Question number 38. The ore, which is the basic minerals and the backbone of the industry development, is A. bauxite, B. copper ore, C. iron ore, D. none of the above. Option number C are the correct answer. Iron ore. Iron ore is the basic minerals and the backbone of the industry development. Question number 39. Kudre in the Kannada means a dog, lion, elephant or horse. Answer is D. Horse. Kudre is the Kannada means horse. Question number 40. The iron ore mines located in the western Ghat of the Karnataka are called Kendujar mines, Bali mines, Kudarmukh mines or Ratnagir mines. Answer is option number C, Kudarmukh mines. आप सभी का पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।